And we got a little bit more gospel here for you. This is always one of my favorites. And I know we're all going through a hard time, and it's hard to say things to make people feel better or to make people think better. And everybody's got a different opinion about what's going on and different beliefs. And I'm not going to put my case out there. I'm just going to say, hey, y'all, just keep the faith and do the best you can do. And each and every day you can wake up in the morning and you can say, hey, I'm gonna be all right today. Or you can wake up in the morning and be doubtful or, mad or whatever. The choice is yours. You wake up in the morning, you can set the tone of your day by what you tell yourself and say your prayers to the Lord, and He will help you. I am weak, but Thou art strong. Jesus, keep me from all wrong. I'll be satisfied as long as I walk. Let me walk close to Thee. Just a closer walk with Thee. Granted, Jesus, this my plea. Daily walking close to Thee. Let it be, dear Lord, let it be. When my feeble life is over, time for me will be no more. Guide me safely, gently over to that shore, dear Lord, to that shore. Just a closer walk with Thee. Granted, Jesus, this my plea. Hey, walking close to Thee. Let it be, dear Lord, let it be. Daily walking close to Thee. Let it be, my dear Lord. Let it be. Hey, it's your choice. You walk with Him daily. You'll be all right. Good night. God bless.